there! I'm going to be teaching you how to make this ordinary bike into a motorbike. Here's the materials you'll need to make a motorbike. An ordinary push bike, sellotape, scissors, a clippy thing, playing cards, a cuddly toy, and some boxes. Here's some additional things you might want: paintbrushes, acrylic paint, oil, and spray-on paint. We will start by doing the side panels. Make sure you have a sharp pair of scissors. For the side panels, please cut down the box carefully and make sure they're very sharp. Now that you're happy with your design, we'll start with the engine. Gee whiz! Of course, we're not going to put a real engine in. We're going to use these playing cards with this clip. Voila! You've got yourself an engine. An optional addition is a paint job. Make sure to use in a well-ventilated area. You can use any design you like. Once you're happy with your design, it's time for a test run. Remember to wear all your protective gear. Better to be safe than sorry. Remember to oil your bike well and proper. And there you have it, your very own motorbike. Better to be safe than sorry, that's what I say. Oh God. You're right, you mate? You okay? You alright?
Oh.